guys, so I was just looking on this hair because I was like, I wonder how long I've had this. And the first video I believe went up on the 21st of July 2016. I've had this hair for over a year. This is AliExpress hair. This is hair from AnaBelle from AnaBelle on AliExpress. You guys know, you know how I feel about AnaBelle. They're the very first AliExpress hair I have ever reviewed here on my channel. I have had this hair for over a year. We're now in August. For over a year. I'm very surprised at the quality. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Lyric. I'm uploading videos for these 31 days in August. And I cannot remember the last time I washed this hair. Now I have some cons after having the hair for a year, and let's see if my views change from the last video I did, which I'm going to link in the description bar below for you guys. So my views as far as the closure has not changed at all. The closure still dries out way quicker than the hair. What I have to do is like get the closure damp, like in between drenched and damp, and then get hair oil, rub up my hands, and then just crush it into the closure and at the root here, because the root gets really dry, and then like just crush it up, you know, and then everywhere else. Now this hair is a matted mess. Like at the back it's a matted mess because I haven't washed it in a very long time. So all I do, I just keep on damping it and smushing it up, damping it and smushing it up, and this hair is so beautifully low maintenance. I am living for this hair, you guys. It's been a year. AnaBelle on AliExpress, and people always ask me, hey, what's a good hair, what's a good hair? I always recommend AnaBelle. I've had their Peruvian, their Brazilian, and their Malaysian, and I love each texture. Now this is the only texture I have that's this curly. I got their wavy hair, but I tell you guys, I don't really like wavy hair, but that wavy hair treated me really good. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put all my my reviews of the AnaBelle in the description bar for you guys. Now what I have noticed as well is shedding, because I haven't washed this hair, and it's a so this hair is begging to be detangled, begging for some little washness, some little love and stuff, but I'm having too much fun with my dirty wig. This hair is so pretty, so gorgeous. I love how it feels. It's really soft, even though I haven't washed it. It is really nice and soft. It is just, yes, it's just, yes, I love this hair. AnaBelle on AliExpress. If anybody asks me, I can say without a shadow of a doubt, go AnaBelle. So I've started to review other AliExpress companies, and I haven't gotten enough textures from them. With AnaBelle, I've gotten a wide variety of textures, a wide variety of origins. So I can say without a shadow of a doubt, AnaBelle is definitely the one to invest in. Oh, and now what I'm going to do after this, my top 10 virgin hair companies. That should be good, right? Yeah, would you like that? So that's it on this video on my AnaBelle Brazilian kinky curly or Brazilian kinky hair. It's treating me good, and I'm actually wearing it today. I'm going on the road today. So this is 4 bundles and a closure, and I don't remember the lengths, but based on the other videos that I've done, you guys can get an idea for the lengths. So this is it for this video, you guys, and I will talk to you in the next one. AnaBelle on AliExpress. Yes, you see how big this hair is? Yes, and this is all the hair pushed to the front. I love it, I love it. So it's shedding, and the closure is still dry, so I have to work extra hard with the closure. But I find that with most of my kinky curly hairs, the closures normally don't live up to the bundles. I'm sorry, it's just the truth. Yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.